I'm Nick Mortis. I'm back. I'm here with another demonstration for you guys. Since you guys like the video, the level 5 demonstration, I'll actually be doing another one of those in a couple of days. But for the most part, I'm here back shooting another educational non-profit video for people who ask me to do one because they're not very familiar with drywall. Okay, and I'm very glad I'm getting a chance to shoot this video because I want people to see basically what life for a finisher is like when it comes down to after the hang. Get a close shot on this real quick. It's just this right here. Okay. Let's see, screws like these, you have to make sure that they're dimpled in because stay with me. If you in the process of finishing nails, and when you cover nails, we do a string line method. It's like putting and you wipe it off. Okay, well if you're in the process of string lining and coming up with mud, you hear that? Okay, hitting these with your knife is what causes dings on the edge. Okay, and I get a little mud and I'll show you. Okay. So in the process, just get it from here to here. When you string line, you want to bring your mud up and cover your nails. Okay. You see how that looks? That's what happens when nails aren't bedded properly. Okay, I'm gonna get something kind of wipe that off, but bring it up a little bit right here. So these are properly bedded. So you string line. You see what I'm saying? Let me cover it up. That's how it's supposed to look when you run. So the difference between nails that are screwed down properly and nails that are bedded properly can make a big difference between what's going on in the job. And after we get all these bedded down, we'll show you guys what the process looks like after the fact. Now hold on real quick, I'll show you guys how to fix this. Okay. If you have a drill, the best thing you can do with the drill is take the drill and back your screws out. Okay. Back them out about halfway and push them just a little bit to run them in. So now you can actually dimple over properly. I'm not going to push so hard on this one, but you see how the wall's flexing. Now you can take your time. You can. And now, when you take your mud and you go back over them, let me wipe it off first. And that's how you fix it. And this drywall tip is given to you by Nick Mortis. Hope you guys like. Keep watching. More to come.